What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Basement GP. Today we are going to be doing something kind of fun, kind of easy. We're putting load bars on the TRD Tacoma, which I have named Thwomp, and we are preparing it for Overland. So the project is officially kicked off, still have a temp tag in the window. It is time to build. All right, so the tools are here. I'm standing up, and away. So we just gotta pull this off. Apparently you have to unbolt these. I've never actually done this, so we just have to see what it needs. So, because I'm like the Craigslist genius, I had to get I bought these front runner brackets off of Craigslist, so I'm just undoing the bolts so I can put the sliders into the bed. I guess they're called like bed rails or whatever, like the stock Tacoma bed rail pieces, so I had to do that. So we're just getting the brackets all ready so that we can put them in. You see I already put two in right there. So they just pop in, you slide them in, bolt those on, and then the tent will go on top of that. You can like stop it.
Okay.
There we go. So what we're doing here is just throwing on the rails. Now there are other rails that you can buy, and these ones I just bought, I guess, whatever. Other ones, the big thing is they'll make them that rest right here. So you're putting pressure right there. So if you're buying them and not trying to go discount like I did, you want to find the ones that have a metal bracket that comes right here, because then you're putting weight on top of the bed and on these rails. So there you have it. This is how you do it. You pull the whole thing.
Yeah.
So just pull the whole bracket. At least for the start of it, this would be a good way. Get most of it in. See, that's a pretty good way. But it makes me nervous to put any kind of weight. Like, look at how much weight you're putting on these. These are rated at, I think, 400 pounds dynamic per side.
The rails are?
The rail on here. And the guys at Front Runner claim that they have zero problems with the actual, their bracket, right? So, who knows? Kind of a leap of faith here.
Well, I mean, the way that the tent's going to mount onto it, though, it's going to push, like, out, so...
It's going to squat and push, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, I would assume it's fine.
Yeah. If not, it's a lease. You just take it back at the end, and it has some squat damage.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to do all four of those, and then we'll go... All right, so now that these are in, a major thing you need to remember is don't over-tighten the bolts, because you've got to line them up with the rails. So we're going to put the rails on, and then we'll kind of tighten stuff down. The other thing we have to figure out, though, before we get too tight, is we do have to make sure that the rails are spaced out the right way for the tent. So that is what goes next. Okay, so we're just kind of lining these up right now. This is just really temporary positioning, because I've got to open the tent and kind of figure out where stuff's at before I do too much. So right now I'm just putting the bolts in underneath, just to kind of snug up the bars. The bars aren't even straight with each other right now, so this is, like I said, it's just completely right now lining them up with the holes, and then everything will have to get tightened back down once we have the tent out and everything is done on this. So right now, just putting the bolts into the sliders and then lining them up here. And then in a minute, we need to get out the measuring tape and straighten everything out. So that's it for now. So we went through and measured everything on these. I haven't adjusted this yet. So the top bar still needs to be adjusted and tightened. But we're just going in now and tightening all of the actual brackets down to the bed rail. So just about done with these. And then I probably need to get the torque wrench out and just make sure that we've got the right amount of force on here. And then, yeah, we'll just measure this and we'll adjust this, slide it side to side and just make sure it's nice and centered. And then we'll be set. So there we have it. Okay, so these are all measured. Those are all even. Everything's all torqued down. And we are ready for el tent. Actually, it's la tienda if you want the real Spanish, but these are pretty solid and I think that we're ready for it.